shortly. Hassan Raza. Mr. Slide inside edge, maybe Tim. Mr. Slide inside edge, maybe Tim Saudi. Slide inside edge, maybe Tim Saudi. Has a come off the bat. He doesn't even bat in it, and he takes it. He thinks he's hit it. Bat in it, and he takes it. He thinks he's hit it. The New Zealand draw first blood, and Shan Masood's misery with the bat continue. His legs very strong in that area. Fakhar Zaman, the outfield, quick enough as well. First boundary of Pakistan's innings. On this, Babar should pick up a boundary, and he does. Babar should pick up a boundary, and he does. Oh, he's stumped. He's picked him up.
And that brings up. That he's got to 50. And that brings up. That he's got to 50 and given Pakistan a stable duck. That he's got to 50 and given Pakistan a stable base. Shimmy from Fakhar Zaman. Shimmy from Fakhar Zaman.
And now Rizwan. This is some terrific timing. Another great start to the over. The runs haven't been difficult for him to find, and he clocks up another half century, 8th in his international career.
Got in, Googly. Brilliantly bowled from Ish Sodhi. It's in the gap. Brilliant running and a brilliant 100. It will be the 8th one-day century for Fakhar Zaman. Start off above the pressure, but he made sure that we start off above the pressure, but he made sure that that start did count in. Balcony happy. I'm ready to make my decision. See ya. You need guys who can fat it and get hold of it. Lee wants to hail for 4. Hail for 4.
Runs through and he's gone. Nowhere in the frame.
Slow on launches it down the ground. Over the fence. Maximum. Throw on and knocks him over. Hits off stump. Hits off once. The one's not happy with himself. All that. Hit carries all the way. What a shot that is. What a shot that is. One launches it leg side. That's gone high. Doesn't have the distance. It's caught. Good catch in the deep. Big square leg throw. Cameo from Salman square leg throw. Cameo from Salman Ara comes to an end. And is accepted. Kane Williamson with the catch. Accepted. Kane Williamson with the catch. It's on, and that has been smoked down the ground. One bounce into the fence. And Pakistan get to 280. They're underway. Leached up half volley is off the mark. The full. Once again, found it. down to the last delivery and over. And it seems that Pakistan have their bus. Let's celebrate. Brilliant throw. There you go. Down the track. And he's hit that really well, exceedingly well. Ricky Williamson. Very good innings. Very good innings. This is still at RDR 50. This is still at RDR 50. Catching is the ball and the patient pays off. He got it. Cleanly. That's the breakthrough they wanted. That partnership has been broken.
Goes all the way. Daryl Mitchell turning the heat up here in Karachi. Daryl Mitchell turning the heat up here in Karachi.
It's a chance. It's going to be simple. Wicket. The offside, another half century. The offside, another half century for New Zealand captain Kane Williamson. 42nd international half century. The shot's going to be close. I think they've got it. I think Williamson knows it as well. Brilliant fielding. Big massive hole. Power all the way for 6. 8 for 6. Got in, chopped it on. Now for New Zealand. Wait, that is must have it. Must have it. Nailed it. And he's placed it brilliantly. But he goes back, hits it a long, long way. Trying to ball at the inside edge. Pakistan yet again pick up a wicket. This time it's Wasim. Massive. Again, throwing it out. Played through the offside. Again, throwing it out. Played through the offside. He's timed that well. They want 2. And will get back for the second. That is 50 for Ken Phillips. 50 of just 28 deliveries. Is there a twist in the tail? Is there a twist in the tail? Lovely delivery, a little slower. And Santner completely missed it. Cannot believe he's chipped it. So Midor's going to have to trudge all the way back, dude. So Midor's going to have to trudge all the way back to the dugout. Oh dear. She's all level. Done and dusted, game over. And the New Zealanders take up the series, courtesy of Glenn